Hi everyone, I'm Allen from Jamber. We're here to help you have happier and healthier hands so that you can do the things that are important to you. Today's video, we are going to review this hand and thumb massager. There's links for this down below. This is simple, affordable, it's portable and lightweight, but it is incredibly effective at massaging your thumb webbing, your hands, your forearm. So I wanted to give a quick video on how to use it. So first of all, it is plastic. We've got a steel ball here on the end. We've got silicone rollers here. This thing's amazing. At Jamber, we're all about hand care. We offer free hand classes like hand yoga, and we end every hand yoga with a hand massage. And I use this often to help me with the hand massage. So let me show you how it works. So first of all, when you're using a hand massage, you want to lubricate your hand. We actually recommend organic extra virgin olive oil hand therapy, which you get also as links below as well. Once your hands are lubricated, what you can do is you can use the rollers for, now this is amazing, this is really wonderful, for your thumb webbing. And so you can do your thumb webbing with your hands like this. And it's basically, it's where your index finger and your thumb bones meets right there. And you can rub, okay? And that's easy to do. Rub from side to side. You could hold it for a good pressure point. But using this makes it so much easier. So you just open this up. Again, you can see I just put my hand right in there. It opens right up. And now I can put as much pressure or as little pressure as I want to. And I just rub the thumb webbing and it feels amazing. It's really good and it's on both sides. These rollers are also good for your fingers. So I can do top and bottom of my fingers all the way to the tip. Okay, like so, and back and forth. Or I can from the side to side. So side to side. Now, if you don't have this, you can do the same thing by squeezing and pulling all the way to your fingertip and back again. Again, that's side to side. This is top and bottom. Okay. Now, the roller side of this is great for really getting in and giving firm, constant pressure. So we use this right here to get our palm. These are our flexor tendons, and we can go up and down the tendons, okay, from the base here all the way up to my metacarpal phalangeal joint, up and down to each tendon, okay, all to the thumb. I can go across in circles in either direction. I can go right in here to my thumb, kind of the opposite of that trigger point that we were doing before. Right in here, and just focus right there, and that feels really good. And this is great because I'm not putting pressure on my other hand. I'm not using my thumb, I'm not using my knuckles, I'm just holding this thing. I can also use this up here. So these are my metacarpals, and in between the metacarpals we have channels. A lot of tension gets into those channels. And so normally I would rub each channel like this, going down, but this is hard on my hand. So I can use this guy right here, and I can apply just enough pressure on each channel of my top of my hand. Now, this is a bony area. A lot of people don't think that they can rub it, but a lot of tension from our neck, our shoulder, our arm finds itself here in the extensor tendon region, and I can get in there and very gently rub, and sometimes not so gently, rub some of this tension out. Finally, this is great for your forearm. Pull up my sweater here. And so forearm is where a lot of tension and stress from our hands accumulate, because of course the forearm is intricately connected to the hand. And so there's different rubs that you can do here, like getting into this spot right here. So this is my elbow, my top and bottom bones. These are my epicondyles. And right below the top epicondyle, there's a bunch of tendon and muscle and fascia all comes together. And I can get in there and really rub it all the way down to my wrist. Or I can use this guy, which is so much easier. And I can just get in there and rub up and down and really get in and hit the exact muscle that is hurting me or is sore. And this makes it easy. This is amazing. I mean, you can hit some muscles in there that are really deep, and this is so easy and effortless on my other hand. So that's how this thing works. You can use it for your stomach, your shoulders, your legs, your feet. You can use this exactly the same way for your feet. And so hopefully that explains how to use this. Again, this is called the hand and thumb massager. It's available on our website at jamber.com. There are links below. And I absolutely recommend getting the extra virgin olive oil hand therapy, organic hand therapy in combination with this. I'm a biochemical engineer. Reason we recommend organic olive oil is that it's rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K. It has been shown to have antioxidant properties. So when you rub this on your skin after having sun exposure, this is known to absorb free radicals and reduce your incidence of cancer. It's hydrating and moisturizing. It's natural. It's organic. You can put this on your hands and then eat. You could lick your fingers. This is food grade. And so all reasons from a biochemical engineering perspective, I recommend this. And then it's in a glass jar, so plastics aren't leaching into the oil. And it's got an easy to use spray top. And so it's designed to be great, especially if you have sore, arthritic, swollen hands. Everyone, thank you so much. Please leave comments below. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, check out our website at jamber.com, where we have all kinds of great products for your hands, and we offer all sorts of free hand care and hand health classes to improve your grip strength, hand dexterity, all kinds of great stuff. All right, everyone, thanks so much. Have a great day. And remember, keep moving your hands because motion is lotion when it comes to hand health. Bye, everyone.